Have you ever wondered how to make your video content more visible to search engines? Search engine optimization, SEO, is a great way to make sure your content is seen by the right people. In this video, we'll discuss strategies for optimizing your videos to improve your search engine rankings. The first step is to make sure your content is relevant. Make sure your video covers the topic you are targeting and that it provides useful information for viewers. Next, focus on your video titles. Make sure they are descriptive and include your target keyword. This will help search engines to know what your video is about. You should also use tags and categories to help search engines understand your content. Choose tags that are relevant to your video and include your target keyword. Additionally, you should use a transcript of your video to help search engines better understand the content. Make sure your transcript is accurate and includes the target keyword. Finally, create a compelling thumbnail that is relevant and eye-catching. This will entice viewers to click on your video and improve your search engine rankings. By following these simple strategies, you can ensure your video content is optimized for search engine rankings.